Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to be showing you how you can join the Tower of Fantasy Discord server. Okay, so the process is very straightforward and simple. So all you need to do is open up a web browser on your phone. In my case I'm on Google Chrome, but anyone will work. Then you want to type Tower of Fantasy Discord into Google search and then hit search. You're going to see a whole bunch of results that pop up, and as you can see, the first result here is Tower of Fantasy Discord. Now you want to make sure that you have Discord on your phone and that you're logged into your account before you tap the link. So I'm going to tap on that link, and then it should open up in the Discord invite page where you can see Tower of Fantasy Discord. There's 128,000 online. So that's a very popular server. So I'll tap on accept invite, and you probably have to go over some rules before you are able to talk. So I'm now in the Discord server. You can read this, top things to do here. Okay, so I'll just hit the back arrow, and now I need to complete a few more steps before I can talk. So I'll tap on that banner that is located right at the bottom. So you just need to verify your email, which I've done, and then you want to read all the rules. So once you've done that, you tap on I've read and agree to the rules, and then you tap on complete, and now I should be able to go into the general section. And I don't see a general section in this, but they do have game announcements and social media. So if I go in here, I can follow this channel's updates in your own server, so I won't do that. So this is where you can see all the different game updates, which is probably what you want. So that's how to join the Tower of Fantasy Discord server. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.